we are now done with the Llama trek. If you guys want to go check that out, it is south of Puyallup, south of Seattle. We'll put the link down in the description below if you guys want to book something like that. It was a lot of fun. It helps small businesses, and it's just something really cool and interactive that you don't get to do on a daily basis, especially with llamas and alpacas, because they're really not like a touchy-feely animal like horses or like a, you know, petting zoo or whatever, and that's not something that this is. It's just really cool to be immersed in this experience, being able to walk with them. It's a super easy hike. Half mile in, or
half mile in, half mile out.
Half mile out. Super easy. They're so docile, you don't really have to worry about much other than just trying to eat some food.
Yeah, they are hungry.
Yeah, I don't blame them. But I would say, if anything, go check that out if you guys are interested in something like that. It was a really cool experience, something that we're doing in our off day. Now we actually have to go work out. We'll see how that goes. So now we have to run and lift weights, and then, you know, a normal day in life for us and, you know, our van life is, this is a day that we're off. And we thought we would record this to kind of show you guys kind of what we do. We do fun things like that. That was about, what, 2 hours?
2 hours, yeah.
2 hours to do that. Now we're just going to go on about our day and work out, go to the grocery store, cook some food later. So let's go run in the park. Bouncy baby.
Oh, it's hard.
Bouncy.
I know.
Oh.
So much different than the treadmill.
Absolutely. Finally made it home. Now we're going to put groceries away because we went grocery shopping after working out. It's been a very long day. And then we still have to shower and we still have to eat. So we're going to see how this goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get your eggs. You were just throwing them around. Get them. Get them by the handle. There you go. Good girl. Now someone's excited about her eggs. Oh, and we kicked it back in the wheel well. Oh, and we picked it up. Oh, we broke the handle.
Did you break the handle?
Yeah, we broke the handle, Mom. Oh, but I can still pull it up. I can still pull it up somehow. Yeah, those are your eggs for Easter, young lady. And you're breaking them.
She's gonna have so much fun with this.
Oh, yeah, she is. We're gonna have to go in the woods and hide eggs.
Yeah.
Yep, she wants her eggs now.
Oh my god.
Somebody's got some pent-up aggression.
I swear we give her toys.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I swear we give her toys.
Look at that hair, bro. Oh, gosh. Okay, you child. Oh, God. They're not even open yet. Calm down. Calm down. All right, shower time. Ow. All right, guys, for dinner, since we went and got our haircuts, we're tired. We want something quick. We're going to do this cheese-filled gnocchi from Trader Joe's. Just going to throw this in a pan and then going to do up some broccolini in the air fryer and call that dinner. You can do this in the microwave or on the stovetop, and we're doing stovetop. So olive oil and water, heat, and then wait till it's warm inside. Got it. These Trader Joe frozen dinners make for easy work when you don't want to think about what you're doing. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but like these little cubes right here are pink. Go with that. Doesn't say anything about covering it, so that's just gonna be what that's gonna be then. I'm just gonna cover it. Hopefully it'll work faster. That's the broccoli bed. And all we do with the broccoli, or I should say broccolini, is we just put garlic, olive oil, and AP on it, and we're set. And sometimes Parmesan, if we have a rind. Alright, pasta's done. Looks good. Sauce got thick. And then we just have some broccolini air fried, and we're just gonna plate this up.
This looks really good.
So here it is, kind of looks like mac and cheese. But a lot of these Trader Joe ones we've ate are a good size for two.
Mm-hmm.
Easily. Like a dinner for two.
Yeah, split it. Make some veggies.
Yeah, they look like little dumplings.
They're so cute.
So we'll see how this goes. The sauce isn't pink anymore.
No, it looks orange.
That's a better...
Do they have cheese in them?
Yeah, they do. Here,
They
they're
do.
tortellinis, but they're focaccias or whatever it is.
Whatever word you can't say.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I can't say a lot of words.
The sauce is good.
Mm-hmm. But these make for like super quick, easy, especially when we were running all around all day with the llamas, working out, getting our hair cut, showering, grocery store.
It's a busy day.
Yeah. So this is really good though to have.
Yeah. A good kind of backup meal. Like no time, just throw it in.
Yeah, and we're pretty much gonna relax the rest of the time and probably watch some Ozarks. Since we've been hooked on that.
I know, we're gonna finish that soon, probably.
Probably knowing us. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.